Welcome to Secret Entertainment Extreme channel. Today we are going to explore the journey of the tabletop wet grinders. Before we go into the video, please subscribe to this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. In the 1950s, Indian entrepreneurs sought to revolutionize cooking by adopting traditional grinding stones to create the first electric wet grinders. The innovation transformed the way people cooked, making it easier and faster. The early grinders were simple yet effective and paved the way for modern tabletop wet grinders we use today. Design and development. Designing the perfect grinder required careful consideration of ergonomics, safety, and performance. Engineers experimented with various materials, shapes, and sizes to create a user-friendly and efficient machine. The design process involved in prototyping, testing, and refining, ensuring the final product met the needs of Indian cooks. Motor manufacturing. The motor, the heart of the grinder, requires precision winding, insulation, and assembly. Skilled technicians carefully craft each motor, ensuring optimal performance and durability. The motor's design and construction are critical to the grinder's overall efficiency and longevity. Grinder drum fabrication. The grinder drum, made from stainless steel or stone, is fabricated using advanced machinery and techniques. The drum's shape and size are critical for efficient grinding, and the material selection ensures durability and hygiene. Grinding stone manufacturing. Grinding stones made from high quality materials are cut, shaped, and polished to perfection. The stone's texture and hardness determine the grinder's performance, and skilled craftsmen carefully select and prepare each stone. Bearing and shaft assembly. The bearing and shaft assembly requires precision engineering, ensuring the smooth operation and durability. The bearings design and construction minimize friction, reducing wear and tear on the grinder. Housing and control panel assembly. The housing, made from plastic or stainless steel, is designed for durability and ease of use. The control panel, with its switch and indicator lights, is assembled with care, ensuring a user-friendly interface. Final assembly. The final assembly involves carefully integrating all components, ensuring a seamless user experience. Skilled technicians assemble each grinder, testing and inspecting every unit before packaging. Testing and quality control. Rigorous testing and quality control measures ensure each grinder meets the highest standards. Testing involves performance evaluation, safety checks, and durability assessment, guaranteeing a reliable product. Packaging and distribution. The grinders are packaged and distributed to retailers, making their way into Indian kitchens. The packaging process involves careful handling and protection, ensuring the grinder arrives in perfect condition. The tabletop wet grinder story is one of innovation, precision, and dedication. From its humble beginnings to the modern manufacturing process, this machine has revolutionized cooking, making it easier and faster. As we marvel at its performance, let us not forget the techniques and precision involved in creating this incredible machine. Thank you for seeing this video. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.